Can you share with us your story kung paano nyo na-experience yung himala sa buhay nyo? And can you please introduce yourself, yung mga supportive? Sorry, hindi ko nabutan kanina kung naipakilala sila. Sino muna gustong sumagot?
Himala sa buhay. Hindi man ako natuloy magpare sa totoong buhay. At least dito sa Himala, naging pare. Yun na yung himala ko.
Ano pong name? Sorry.
Ako po si Floyd Tena. Ayun.
Magandang hapon po. Ako po si Cathy Teodoro. Ako po yung gaganap na Nimia. Ang himala ko po sa totoo lang was getting this role noong 2018 and 2019. Actually, yung 2018. Kasi dream role ko to eh. And I wasn't sure kung makikita nila ako na fit dito sa role na to. Given na yung background ko dati noon, puro Disney musicals, Hong Kong Disneyland, Batibot. So sabi ko, paano ako mapupunta from Batibot to Pokpok, diba? Sabi ko, paano natin gagawin to? Ipaglalaban ko talaga to. And kasi, I remember Sir Vince, we were watching the concert version of Himala sa PETA noon. And he said, alam mo, kaya mo tong Nimi eh. And that really gave me the spark. It really starts with just one person, and for me, si Sir Vince pa yun, who composed the musical, na, wow, feeling na kaya ko yung gawin yung Nimia. Ita-target ko to, aaralin ko to, and pag nagkaroon ng pagkakataon in my lifetime, na ibalik at i-restage ang Himala isang musical, I will do everything to audition. Kung ano-ano pong balakid yung nangyari noon eh, I was abroad, nung callbacks, na parang kailangan, it felt like kinailangan kong patunayan. And out of everyone, nakast na lahat, except yung Nimia. I think 3 beses akong na-callback noon. And I was really like, ano pa ba ang gusto niyong gawin? Direct, ano ba, kailangan ba itong topless? And di ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Para lang mapatunayan na ito po ay kaya kong gawin. And to my joy and just really dream come true moment na nakas po ko dito. And it really, I would say, Himala isang musical. And ngayon, isang Himala. It's the miracle that keeps on giving. Honestly, we were very happily surprised when it was sold out, when we had a rerun, and then when we had this film, the opportunity to film this, and for the producers and our director to really take a risk and say, we want the original cast. Gusto namin yung mga theater actors na dadalhin sa pelikula. Lalo na sa MMFF, the venue. Kasi alam naman po natin, big stars, mainstream actors, blockbuster. So parang tataya po sila sa aming mga taga-teatro. And we were just very grateful for the trust, really. And that's why we're also very happy because the theater community, which is currently booming, na talagang we have their support. They're also grabe yung support nila and anticipation for this film. And also for the cinema community as well. Na parang it's two worlds, two artistic worlds colliding. So honestly, it's just patuloy, miracle after miracle to be part of this project. Yun po. Salamat po.
Thank you. Abanto. Next.
Hello, ako si David Ezra. I play the role of Orly. Ayan po. Sa akin, itong same as Cathy, yung Himala, and isang Himala, ano siya, yun mismo, itong getting the role is a miracle. Kasi yung Himala na musical ni Vincent De Jesus, yung legacy niya sa akin, or yung history niya sa akin is 20 years. Yung original staging nun, yung role ni Between Escalante was played by my mom. So, nung time na yon, niyaya niya ako manood ng musical niya so sa CCP, so I was 15 years old nung high school ako. Tapos hindi pa ako kumakanta noon or hindi pa ako nakakanood ng any theater show. Tapos nung napanood ko siya, nung ginawa pa ni May Bayot nung time na yun, sila Isay Alvarez, yan.
At Mother Review
Sino
naman,
yung
Mother
nanay?
Review.
Ay, original na nag-play po nung Nanay Saling sa musical ni Vincent was Dulce. So, Dulce is my mom. So, yan po. Yung history niya sa akin mahaba. Tapos nung fast forward 10 years, nung stage nila yung 10th year anniversary concert, napanood ko si OJ Mariano as Orly. Tapos nung time na yun, kumakanta na ako. Tapos nung napanood ko siya sa role na yun, sabi ko, isa to sa mga roles na gusto kong gawin sa buhay ko, kung kailan man yun. Tapos noon, 5 years after, nagpa-audition sila ng Himala, isang musical, and I got the role. So, kumbaga, mula nung bata ako, tulad ng sabi ni Kaki, it's just a gift that keeps on giving. Yung Himala na musical and also isang Himala. Kasi talagang 20 years na eh. Kumbaga, hindi ko siya sinimulang pangarapin. Sa gitna nun, pinangarap ko. Tapos sa dulo. Tapos after 5 years, andito na tayo. Isa na tayong pelikula. So, malaking Himala yun para sa akin. And also my first film. So, yeah.
Hello po, ako po si Naomi Gonzalez. And I played Chayong in the film and in the stage play. Aside from what they said, no, I agree also na itong film na to ay napakalaking himala para sa aming lahat. This is something we didn't expect that would happen to us. And so hindi ko napapahabayan, I totally agree. And siguro ako ngayon, I just look at miracles every day. No? The little miracles we experience every day na hindi natin alam that to be in this room with all of you is already a blessing and a miracle. And it just grounds us. This project grounded us in so many levels na it made us so grateful. Kasi nga, di ba, ang daming rason to be grateful about this film to Direk Pepe who trusted us and given us this opportunity to do this film. So, yun lang po. Every day is a miracle. Mahaba pa rin. Magandang hapon po. Ako po si Sweet Lantado Kyungson. I am playing the wonderful Mrs. Alba. She's the wonderful wizard of Kupang. Ako, like Naomi, I believe in miracles, whether small miracles, big miracles, every single day. That is how my faith is. But may sagot mo, bago ako mag-share na sa sarili ko, may sagot ako kay Kaki. Oo. Si Direk Ed Lacson and I, and with Narca Bico, we're having lunch after an event. And tinanong ako ni Sir Ed Lacson, sino sa tingin mo pwedeng mag-name yan? Si Kaki Teodoro. So ako, sabi ko, subukan mo si Kaki. I think she can be a wonderful name yan. Talaga, yes! So, akong nag-miracle for you.
You're my fairy godmother.
Yes.
Fairy
Ako
godmother.
talaga, wonderful wizard of Kupang.
Ako po, ang natatanging hindi kasama sa cast. I've watched the 2003 staging, 2013. I was good friends na by the time with Vince De Jesus. I watched the 2018 and 2019. Pero hindi po ako naghimala ever. So ang pinaka-miracle talaga ay mapasama ako. Kasi si Vince sabi sa akin, may gagawin ka ba sa ganyan. Sige, tingnan natin sis kung kaya ng schedule dahil per months. Kinabukasan sinabi niya ako si Fred. So na-stress po ako. Tapos yung reading po, grabe yung reading, table read with Direk Pepe and everyone from Unitel. Ang dami biglang schedule conflicts. So, nag-message ako kay Pito, kay Naomi. Matutuloy ba ako? Na-attach na ako doon sa script at saka sa cast. Tapos baka hindi ako matuloy. But yun, miracle of miracles, natuloy ako. I've had the best time with these wonderful people. Our captain of the ship, Direk Pepe, talagang hindi niya kami pinabayaan and he let us grow. He allowed us, sa lahat actually ng team niya. Grabe, from cameraman, sa lahat ng assistants. So, that is my Himala miracle. I thank you.
Dagdag ko lang, speaking of, isa sa mga himala namin ay yung Sandbox Collective at Nineworks Theatrical, ang theater companies na sumugal sa version na to noong 2018 at 2019. hindi kami gumamit ng microphone, ng lapel. It was theater in the round. So gusto namin pasalamatan kasi sila talaga yung bumuo sa cast na to. So maraming salamat.
Magandang hapon po sa kanila. Ako po si Bituin Escalante, nagaganap po bilang Aling Saling. Nasabi na po nila lahat ng aming mga milagro sa palabas na ito. Pero sa akin po personal, himala po sa akin ang magkaroon ng family life that I have now. I never imagined I could be a mother. Now I am a mother of 2. And that experience informed how I built a relationship with Saling. Himala is also a family affair for me. Vince De Jesus first cast my sister in the concert version in PETA. Si Kalila Aguilos po ay gumanap bilang Nimia. And now, even my husband is part of the cast, Raymond Domingo. We were part of the cast in 2018. And it is such a blessing to work with the people you love. And ngayon, dumagdag na po yung mga mahal namin. Nandito na si Pepe, Madonna, marami. This is a family of Himalove. So, love is the greatest miracle. So, maraming salamat. Ricky Lee, Vince, Pepe, salamat.
Tinitignan ako ni Direk Pepe, Asen. Kailangan may kwento yung miracle mo. Okay. Marami akong miracle sa buhay.